Today we are in the lovely Cherry Grove, a stone's throw from the train station and about a 10-minute walk into the centre of town. We've got a 3-bedroom end of terrace property here with bathroom upstairs. It's very lovely downstairs. You've got an open plan walkthrough. It's gorgeous, double-sized garden. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. Come and have a look. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so hope you liked the tour. If you like the property, give me a call, drop me an email. If you'd like a valuation of your own home, then I would love to see you too. So either way, get in touch. Look forward to seeing you soon.